How to add images to Notion. If you want to add images to make your project more engaging to Notion, then follow these instructions. First, make sure that you have downloaded Notion on your phone. After that, click on the search bar and open Notion. Now make sure that you have logged into your account and you'll see this home page. After that, create a new project. Now to add an image, simply click on this page. Here you can see different options. Just toggle your keyboard, and on the second option you can see this plus sign. Click on it. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this media option. Here you can see this image option. Click on image. Now you can upload your file by clicking on upload file. Remember that the maximum size per file is only 5 MB. You can also copy the link and paste it here and embed the image from the web, or you can also on Splash and search for any image that you require, or you can also add keyframe as an image. Click on the image and you'll see that the image has been uploaded. So this is how you can add image on Notion. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.